It's a wonderful Friday the 13th. Taking a road trip, a day trip rather, out to the valley, the Furnace Valley Visitor Center. It's about an hour drive.
Turn left onto East Bell Vista Avenue.
I think it's going to be an interesting day trip. Then I got poker tonight. There's a poker tournament. I did pretty well last night. I won $11. Got lucky on a few hands at the river. Anyway, I'm going to be going here and through the Death Valley area. I've been wanting to check that out for a while. Yesterday was a terrible day to go. It was all cloudy and windy. But today is nice, so today's the day. And I'll keep you posted. That's Kate. All right. Pretty narrow little road here. Not too scenery. Or shabby on the scenery. Next 4 miles, Kirby. Kirby. Well, just crossed the border of Death Valley National Park. I got about 13 miles to go before I get to the visitor center. Overall, it's been kind of a pleasant drive. My ears are popping. Oh boy, let's see what the signs say. That's where my destination is. I guess there's a reason we're calling it Furnace Creek, because it's just Death Valley, and it do get hot. Let's see what that sign says. Pay entrance fee. All vehicles. I didn't know there was an entrance fee. Oh, my America the Beautiful gets me in free. Oh boy. Okay, so my America the Beautiful pass got me in free. And nice volunteer lady over there, Army, helped me out understand how to work it. Apparently I just put my America the Beautiful pass on the dashboard, and when I go into an area that requires a pass, I just show them the pass. Interesting. I'm waiting on these people to get out of my way here. D for drive. Yeah, he's sure taking his time. Not pointing in the right direction here. All right.
Proceed.
Man, I feel like I'm on the surface of the planet. Wait, I am. I feel like I'm on the surface of the moon. Look at that. Look at that. Nice little drive out here, man. I gotta drive. Miles to Eden Canyon. Alright, that's arrived at the Furnace Creek, what do we call it? Visitor Center. Way back, I saw a few sites I'd like to see. Meanwhile, I gotta find a place to park.
The destination is.
So there's a crowd of people there. sick. 30,000 feet, 5 degrees Fahrenheit cooler. Tree here.
外面的男子浑水，呼噜呼噜呼噜。子弹列车驰骋中，但梦想还在飞，希望他家里飘返香。温柔妻子在等待，疲惫身子却快乐心灵。
Busy place.妻子在等待，疲惫身子却快乐心灵。外面的男子浑水，呼噜呼噜呼噜。子弹列车驰骋中。梦想也在飞，希望他家里飘返香。温柔，妻子在等待，疲惫身子却快乐心灵。 Papoose bag.
子弹列车驰骋中，但梦想也在飞，希望他家里飘返香。温柔妻子在等待，疲惫身子却快乐心灵。外面的男子浑水，呼噜呼噜呼噜呼噜。子弹列车驰骋中，但梦想也在飞，希望他家里飘返香。温柔妻子在等待，疲惫身子却快乐心灵。外面的男子浑水，呼噜呼噜呼噜呼噜。子弹列车驰骋中，但梦想也在飞，希望他家里飘返香。温柔妻子在等待，疲惫身子却快乐心灵。
Okay, I think I've seen enough of that place. Too many people. Got myself some water and a nice sandwich. Ham sandwich. Oh boy. Get that settled in. I will say that that's one of the best visitor center I've seen, because it reminds me a lot of a museum kind of thing set up. I mean, it's not that big. At least my back didn't give out this time. I guess I'm gonna head back to the RV, do a little shopping on the way. I hope you enjoyed the video.